Hello, 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 everybody. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover. We are here with our tea advent, and we are on December 24th. Can you believe that? We are on Christmas Eve, and today we have original chai spiced black tea. Let's get that going. Let's get that into our water and get it seeping, and then we'll see what's going on with that. We know it's going to be good because we love us some chai tea. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, love, love, love it. Let's see what's in it. Black tea, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon. 82% black tea, 5% cardamom, 5% cloves, 4% black pepper, shouldn't be a problem, and 4% cinnamon. This is going to taste so good. So good. And it's already turning colors. Yes. This is going to be yummy. So, Christmas Eve. I can remember lots of Christmas Eves, and I'm sure you guys all do too. When my kids were little, Christmas Eve, of course, was a flurry of activity, trying to get them to bed and trying to get everything done. Santa Claus had his things that he had to do. We had lots of last minute putting together of things. So there was all of that going on. And then when the kids were older, I can remember lots of game nights. We would play cards together. We would have board games, and that was the funnest time. Our family likes board games, and so we would do a lot of board games as we just visited and talked, and we would have goodies that we had baked, and cinnamon rolls that we had baked, and just talked and visited and played games as a family. And I really we played cards, and I really liked that time. And then when I had grands, that's when it really got fun. That was my most very favorite time. When you start getting grandkids, things are just different. You see things through a different eye, and it's fun. It's almost like you get to be a kid again. And I can remember, especially my first grand, I can remember when he was about 3 years old maybe, and I can remember him sitting on my lap in front of the computer. And to this day they have it. I just saw a story about it on the news. NORAD, NORAD. NORAD has I don't want to say a program because it isn't. It's actually like the national defense thing, but they track Santa Claus all over the world. And you can go on there right now, NORAD, look up NORAD, and you will see Santa Claus where he is in the world right now. And you can see where he's at and follow his actions, follow him where he's located in the world right now, and throughout the whole day where he is, and it shows all the different stops and the different parts of the country as he follows throughout the country where he gets to. I loved doing that, and my grandson would sit on my lap, and we would watch that computer screen and see where Santa was and how close he was getting. And all throughout the day, we would check that out and see where he was and how close he was getting. And it just added to the excitement of everything that was going on. And I loved that. I loved being part of that and having him getting to enjoy that excitement and because it's different when you're the mom. There's just all of the hustle and bustle and the last minute stuff and putting things together and making things happen. But when you're the grandma, I think you get to be more involved in the magic of it. And I just loved that part of it. And doing the cookies and putting out the cookies for Santa and the reindeer food and all of that part of it. But I can remember to this day sitting there with him on my lap and watching Santa's progress across the sky with the NORAD. I'll never forget that. And hopefully there will be a time when I'll be doing that with some great grandkids. So it could be a thing. And I hope that he has those memories as well of us sitting together watching that computer screen and watching Santa's progress through NORAD. All right, let's try this tea, this chai tea. Oh, it smells so good. It's hot, hot, hot though. I can tell it's really hot. Oh, it tastes so wonderful. I love chai tea. That cinnamon, that cinnamon, that cinnamon. Let's put that back in there. Let it sit for a little while longer. I haven't looked at NORAD yet today. I'm going to, even though I don't have any reason to be checking Santa's progress. I don't think Santa comes to houses if there aren't children there. I don't know. Does he? I don't think so. I don't think so. And we have not had children in our house for quite some time. So that's not... Yeah, I don't think we get to have Santa at our house because we don't have children, even though we are very, very big believers of Santa. Very big. We have Kitten. Maybe Kitten will get... She's still very young. Maybe Kitten will get a visit from Santa. So this is for a lot of people doing the Christmas countdowns. This will be their last day. I will be doing the 12 days of Christmas, which for many people don't realize that the 12 days of Christmas actually start on Christmas Day. December 25th is actually the first day of Christmas. So you'll still be seeing me because I'm going to be doing the 12 days of Christmas starting tomorrow, starting on Christmas morning, Christmas Day. It may not be Christmas morning. Yeah, it will be Christmas morning. So tonight, for us, we're going to have a dinner at my sister's house and a bunch of other friends. And so that's going to be fun. And I'm looking forward to that. But when I saw that news story about the NORAD thing, it flashed that memory back with spending the day with my grand, watching the progress of Santa across the sky. Whoops, I always forget to take this thing out. Got to do that. Can't drink the tea with that thing in it. So, have you guys watched NORAD? And you know what? I had forgotten that in the news story, they even said that they take phone calls from people. And I was not aware of that. But they said that they take thousands and thousands and thousands of phone calls. And it's the phones are manned by volunteers. And so it's some military and some private citizens man the phones, and they take all kinds of phone calls all day long, all around the clock. So that's really interesting. That would be something I would really enjoy doing, but I think it's only probably in certain areas where they have that system set up. So it's probably not anywhere near where we are. But wouldn't that be a fun thing to volunteer to do? Well, I'm going to close now. And as always, I'm going to wish you a Merry Christmas. And I hope that you have a fun New Year's Eve, or not New Year's Eve. Well, I hope you have a fun New Year's Eve, but not yet. Hope you have a fun Christmas Eve and get to enjoy it the way that you guys, however you do in your home. If you spend time with your family, if you spend time at church. A lot of people, this is a big day to go to church and worship, however you do, in your own way. If you get to spend time with family, if you get to spend quiet time, if you get to spend time with kiddos, getting ready for the big guy to come and visit. I hope you get to take 10 minutes and rest and recharge. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.